First of all, what I have here is I have my wooden dowels. They are 11 centimeter. I have my wires. They are 26 centimeter. I have my shrink tubes that I will heat them up. I have my sand papers. I have my Japanese glue, very, very strong glue, and I have gloves. First of all, what am I going to do is I will sand the edges, the corner of these wooden dowels so the puppeteer can grab like this. And then I'm going to put little scratches here so the arm rod will not twist around in the dowel. And then I'm going to dress up my wires with the shrink tube till here. And I will put some Japanese glue on the edge of my wire, and then I will insert it. Once my wooden dowel dries out, it will grab the wire real strong, and then I will just dress up the rest of the wire, and then I will heat up the shrink tube. If you can also use a gaffer tapes. I don't have gaffer tapes in where I am right now, so I'm using shrink tubes. They also do a great job. And the point is just don't forget to put the scratches here, so the arm rod will not twist around. Holes in my wooden dowels are 5 centimeter, so it's like here, okay? Some people dig in a lot more than this all the way here, which is probably better. But my arm rods are being in use for 3 years. I've never received any compliments so far. I also use them on my own puppets. As you can see, I sanded off a little bit on the top and bottom of my wooden dowel. I recommend you to use a belt sander for this, or you can just sand it with your hands, but do not use a Dremel machine to sand it, because the Dremel machine takes off too much chunk of the edges. So I am very close to the end with my arm rods. I inserted my shrink tubes. I also inserted my wires into the wooden dowels. What am I going to do next is I'm going to heat up the shrink tubes a little bit, very carefully, so it can fit the wire and it can look better. And then I'm going to paint them for twice. I'm going to paint it with acrylic paint for once, let it cool off. I'm going to paint it again. Let it cool off, and then I'm going to spray paint them with lacquer so I can protect the paint.